Here we are, Mira. This cafe looks very nice.
Yes, it does, Zane. I am so hungry I could eat everything on the menu.
Slow down, Mira. First, we need to talk to the worker. Look, there is a sign. It says, "Please wait to be seated."
Please wait to be seated. What does seated mean, Zane?
It just means to sit down. The restaurant wants to show us our table. We don't just pick any chair.
Ah, I see. We wait. Oh, here comes the server.
Hello, a table for two, please.
That was easy. A table for two, please.
Exactly. Now we are at our table. The server gave us the menu.
The menu. Let's see. Oh, there are many choices. Zane, what is an appetizer?
An appetizer is a small plate of food. You eat it first, before the big meal.
Appetizer. Like a small salad or a soup?
Yes, exactly. And the big meal is called the main course.
Main course. Okay. I see chicken and fish under main course.
And look at the end of the menu. Dessert.
Dessert. Cake and ice cream. My favorite part.
Wait, Mira, the server is here. He is asking, can I start you off with something to drink?
Oh, I want water. How do I ask nicely, Zane?
Use the phrase, I would like. It is very polite.
I would like. Okay. I would like a glass of water, please.
Perfect. And I will say, I'll have an orange juice, please.
I'll have. Is that also polite?
Yes, Mira. I would like and I'll have are both perfect for a restaurant.
I would like a glass of water. I'll have an orange juice. Now look at the food. I want the cheeseburger. The cheeseburger looks good. But Zane, I don't like onions. How do I tell the server?
You can say, without onions, please.
Without. So a cheeseburger without onions, please.
That's it. Or you can say, no onions, please. Both are good.
Okay, I will try. Can I have the cheeseburger, but no onions, please?
Great. And I am very hungry, so I want a side dish.
A side dish? What is that?
A side dish is extra food, like French fries or garlic bread. It is smaller than the main course.
Oh, I want a side of fries. I love fries.
Okay, let's order. The server is here. I would like the grilled chicken and a side of garlic bread, please.
And I'll have the cheeseburger, without onions, please. And a side of fries.
Well done, Mira. The server is writing it down. Now he says, is that all for now?
Does that mean we are finished ordering?
Yes. We can say, yes, that's all. Thank you.
That's all. Thank you. That's all.
Now we wait. Oh, look! The food is here! It looks delicious.
It does. But, oh no, Zane. I have no fork.
Oh, you need cutlery. That is the word for forks, spoons, and knives.
Cutlery. How do I ask for one?
Always start with, "Excuse me." It is very friendly. Say, "Excuse me, could I have a fork, please?"
Excuse me, could I have a fork, please?
Perfect. Oh, this chicken is great. How is your burger, Mira?
It is perfect. No onions.
I am glad. Okay, I am full now. I cannot eat any more.
A2. Zane, I want to pay. How do we ask for the paper that shows the price?
That is called the bill. In some places, they call it the check.
The bill or the check. Okay.
Let's practice. Say, could we have the bill, please?
Could we have the bill, please?
Very good. And then we can pay with cash or a credit card.
I have my credit card ready. I will pay today.
Thank you, Mira. That is very kind.
You're welcome. Today was fun. I learned so many words.
You did. Let's repeat the most important words for our friends at home.
Good idea. I will say the word and you explain it simply.
Okay, go ahead, Mira.
Menu.
The book with the food and prices.
Appetizer.
A small plate of food you eat first.
Main course.
The big main meal.
I would like.
A polite way to say what you want.
Without.
When you don't want something in your food, like without onions.
Side dish.
Extra food, like fries or bread.
The bill.
The paper that shows how much money to pay.
I feel like I can go to any restaurant now.
You can, Mira. And to everyone listening, you are doing a great job.
Yes. Don't be afraid to speak slowly. Servers are very patient.
They just want to help you enjoy your meal.
Before we go, we have one interesting question for you.
Tell us in the comments. Do you prefer to eat at a restaurant or at home?
We love reading your answers. It helps us practice together.
Thank you for watching. Keep listening and keep speaking.
See you in the next story. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye.